automated trading software for live Forex Gold Xauusd trading signal.
Okay, I have the M30 30-minute chart for Xauusd. Here's the final analysis and trading strategy suggestion. Observations. Short-term volatility. The M30 chart shows increased short-term volatility compared to the higher time frames. There are more frequent and larger swings in price. This indicates that there are short-term traders that are trying to take advantage of the market. Continued consolidation. Even on the M30 timeframe, the price remains within the consolidation range. We see a mix of bullish and bearish candles, with no clear dominant direction. Key levels. The 2,992.50 area is still showing resistance. The 2,980 area is still showing support. The price is currently hovering around the 2,989.00 area. Overall analysis and trading strategy suggestion. Market indecision. Across all time frames D1, H4, H1, M30, the dominant theme is consolidation and indecision. The market appears to be waiting for a catalyst to break out of the current range. Potential scenarios. Bullish breakout. If the price breaks above the 3,000.00 level, it would likely trigger a continuation of the uptrend. In this scenario, a long position could be considered with a stop loss below the 2,990.00 level. Bearish breakout. If the price breaks below the 2,980.00 level, it could lead to a more significant downward move. In this scenario, a short position could be considered with a stop loss above the 2,990.00 level. Range trading. Given the current consolidation, a range trading strategy could be considered. This would involve buying near the 2,980.00 support and selling near the 2,992.50 resistance.